side.
Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be taking you through my current Instagram favorite editing apps. And this is currently the most asked questions on my Instagram right now. What apps do you use to edit your photos? How do you get your feed to look the way it looks? So I decided to show you in a video what I use and how I get my feed to look the way it's looking right now. So hope you enjoyed watching this video and hope this video helps you to up your Instagram photo game. Yes. So let's get into the video. So the first one I'm going to talk about is UNUM. This is how it looks like. So it gives you your Instagram feed, which is this. This is my Instagram feed. So it gives you you have to log in, and then it gives you your Instagram feed. And then it gives you these boxes that you're supposed to arrange the stuff on there. So what I do is I click here, I click one of the boxes, it highlights, and then I press the plus button. And then I select for my camera roll what I want to import over there, and then I press done. And these are imported pictures, so I'm going to arrange them the way I want to arrange them on my Instagram. Let's just say this is what I want to do for my next post. So then I arrange it, and then I know that this is my last picture. This is the last picture I posted on Instagram. So I know that from this picture I'm going to be posting that picture, and then that picture, and that picture, and then I know how my feed will look like because I want it to be very organized. And with this app, you can also post to Instagram directly. Say I take this, you can post to Instagram. It says post to Instagram, save to camera roll, small shelf, and you can even adjust the the caption and everything, post to Instagram and all of that. But I hardly post to Instagram, so this is it. I use this to just arrange the stuff. You can even edit. You can go here, and then there are some effects. To edit the pictures, or you can go to effects, and there are more like filters in the app that you can use. Yeah. And then there's text. You can type in stuff, and then you can adjust it and everything. Change the font. You can do all these things. And you can change the colors. But I'm not going to do that. Yeah, so that's what I use UNUM for, just to organize my feed and make it look the way I want it to look like. And the next app that I use is Facetune. What I do is I use it to whiten any background. Say if I have a picture and I want to whiten the background, let's use this picture. Let's use this picture that I took. So I'm going to choose retouch, whiten, and I'm going to edit. I'm just going to use my fingers to just smooth it, and I'm going to, it has from 0 all the way to 100. So you see, so I like to put it on 100 so I know what I'm doing. So it's just, I use it to whiten stuff mainly. See? So you can see there's a big difference. I can go ahead and whiten all this area. Or I can choose to erase this side and leave it like that. And then I save it. Click here, save. It has different things you can do with it, but I hardly use any of the stuff here. I just use it to whiten backgrounds, and then I go to Beauty Plus. So I'm going to take the last picture, this one, and then I'll choose Auto. It really brightens the picture. Let's see. So it smoothens and brightens the picture at the same time. So I go there and do that, and then I can choose edit. Then I go to clarity, and then I can make it clearer. But I don't like to bring it all the way down. I just make it clear a little bit, and then I choose OK. Yeah, and then I save. Yeah, and I go back into Facetune, and I'm going to choose the picture I just imported, and I'm going to go to filter. It has all these filters that you can use. I like to use this filter because it makes everything intense. Can you see the difference? I usually like to use this filter. It makes everything really intense and bright. I don't like to take it all the way. Maybe a little bit halfway through. I'm gonna choose that. And then I'm gonna save it. Using Facetune for skin retouch, I go to camera roll, then I choose the picture that I want to edit. Then I click on retouch. For skin retouch, I like to zoom into the picture so I can see exactly what I'm doing. As you can see, I have some pimples on my forehead, a lot actually. Then I click on smooth. Then I just tap on my forehead where the pimples are. I don't like to put my finger all through, just run my hands on the screen. It over smoothens the face, so it's best for you to tap on the face. And as with all the tools, it starts from a 0 to 100, the intensity, but it's best to put it on the 100 so you see what it's doing. So now I'm just going to use the erase tool to erase what I just did, because I would like to tap on the skin instead of rapping on the screen. So I'm just tapping to smoothen out the areas that I want to smoothen, but sometimes I like to leave some of the pimples so it looks very realistic. And then I just drag the photo to the rest of my skin and then just keep tapping so I'm okay with how smooth the face looks. And when you are smoothing the face, don't forget to also smoothen your skin. That's if there's any skin showing. You need to also tap those areas as well. And then when you click on that little box over there, you can see the difference in what you've done, the before and the after, the before and the after. And then I go to details and I zoom in to my eyebrows and my eyes, and then I tap on my eyebrows and my eyes and the lashes, so that really details and you can really see it. It really pops out. That way my eye look isn't blurred out and you can actually see the makeup that I've done. Even with this little I did, you can tell the difference between the two eyes. So I zoom in again and do the same thing to the other eye. I also like to detail my edges, my hair. If it's braids, this time is braids, so I like to detail my braids so they also stand out as well. and I go back into that box to see the difference in what I've done. I like to detail my lip as well. And then I detail the braids hanging on my chest. Then I save it. And then I go to filter. Then I choose the second filter. It's called Oasis. It gives the skin some sort of glow. So I choose that and then use just a little bit, not too much, just a little bit, so it doesn't look too artificial. Then I save it. Then I go to Beauty Plus. So I'm going to take the last picture. I like to use tone. So it has all these tones. Use this, you can adjust it the way you want it. Just to make your melanin pop. Yeah. Then there's edit, there's clarity. You make that clear. Way too much. Way too much. Like 8. I'm at most 8. That's it. Come back here. Go to UNUM. Click on a space. Click on add. Choose the picture I've edited. Click on done. And it imports it. And then I can arrange the way I want to arrange it. So that is all that I do to edit and make my Instagram pictures the way it is. Nothing major, very basic, no over editing of stuff, just enhancing of things basically. So of course you can get creative with these apps and use them the way you want to use them. If you have any apps that you'd like to share with me, please leave a comment down below and let me know these apps and I'll check them out. If you're not following me on my social media, I'm going to put them here so you see the names and follow them right now. My Instagram, my Twitter, and my YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Subscribe is just a click. Just click on that button. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.